So you just started eating plant-based and you have no idea what to do. You have so many questions swimming through your mind. Will I get enough protein? Will this be delicious? How the heck do I even start this? Well, this roasted rainbow bowl is the answer to feed your spirit and your soul. Today, I'm gonna show you how to make a loaded rainbow bowl. Now, this recipe has everything you love about color, flavor, texture. Also happens to be 100% plant-based, gluten-free, and so delicious, my loves. It's the Colorful Home Cooking Show, so let's get glowing. All right, my loves. Now this rainbow-tastic recipe has literally everything you need to nourish your body, feed your spirit, and your soul. It's packed with incredible ingredients like vegetables, bell peppers, lentils, and chickpeas. And the first thing you're gonna wanna do is gather up all of your ingredients and slice up those bell peppers. That way we can roast them, get them baked and beautiful. And I'm actually gonna be using this really cool tool that helps slice all of your vegetables in one quick movement. Now to season up our veggies, we're gonna add in some oil or vegetable broth, and then I love to use poultry, pork, or even steak seasoning to give it a nice hearty flavor. Also, my loves, be sure to add in some fresh herbs like basil, parsley, or even mint. Now, make sure to spread it all across a baking sheet, and we're gonna roast these up at 375 degrees for 20 to 30 minutes. I know this is gonna be so delicious as soon as it comes out of the oven. Make sure to mix in all of your seasoning and herbs, put a top on your pot, and now we're gonna move on to our other plant protein, chickpeas. I'm just adding in a little bit of some Italian dressing. That way, every single bite of this recipe is packed full of flavor. After you have all of your ingredients ready, grab those roasted rainbow vegetables, and it is time for us to assemble our beautiful bowl. Ooh, y'all see how vibrant this is coming out. Now, I'm gonna be serving all of this on a big bowl of greens. And now we build a bowl, and yes, it feeds our soul. And now we build a bowl, and yeah, we feed our soul. I want to eat my favorite. I want to eat my favorite feast. This video is sponsored by the One Great Vegan shop. Go to shop.onegreatvegan.com to find everything you need to get colorful in the kitchen. We got aprons, cutting boards, bags, and so much more. So go online now to get your glow on. Y'all see this beautiful bowl of bountiful blessings? Not only is it gorgeous on the outside, but every single bite, every single ingredient will nourish your insides. It's plant-based, it's flavorful, it's so simple to make, and now all we gotta do is dig on in. Let me make sure to get some of everything, the bell peppers, the chickpeas, lentils, and those greens too. Cheers, my loves. Oh my goodness. It is so good, it's almost silly at this point. Bell peppers, when you roast them up, they are unlike anything else. The chickpeas are seasoned, the lentils are zesty and savory, and what I love about this dish is it has that spinach at the bottom that keeps things hearty and so green. Ah. Now, whenever you're cooking up all of my colorful creations, be sure to turn on your notifications, subscribe, like, all that goodness to make sure you stay up to date with all of my delicious recipes and songs and silliness too. Oh, also be sure to go to onegreatvegan.com to get my cookbook and all my recipes on my blog. Also, y'all, we got cute little merch like this apron right here, cutting boards, everything you need to get your glow on. No matter what, at the end of the day, sing your song, do your dance, speak your truth, and have a blessed day, my loves.